puso. Mapagtagalog, Bisaya o Ilocano, walang tatalo sa pagsikat nating dugo. Isigaw ng malakas na ating panalo, huwag nang pag-usapan ang mga negatibo. Pangyayari sa magpanig ka na sa mundo, kinabukasan na narito. From your mouth and your lying and stay in my business. So watching it dying and taking the people to the heights will fight the regular living, and that's what I'm trying to prove. Instead of just lying my boots, please strip Filipino rapper on the news. City J cool, hearing this news, so I put my city on the map. 20s and double the old love of the city, no doubt. Never forgetting the streets where it cousins was in and just with a listen to rap. Can't break them and they suck. Some back up men will bring up with that. Been mundane till the sun came. Now I want fame like a kid in a trap. I'm in Spain. But the rest is silent pain. I'm playing my ring like a king, so in order to grip from surviving. Go away for tripping, and a homie was scripting. Ain't got no love for the people at the over and subs when they claim that they listen. These sparks never done 3 stars in the sun,